Hello friends, on this video how you can increase your RAM or quality of the RAM. So friends, before we start this video, only increase the RAM, okay? So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, just move on setting, then from here you can just move this search setting and search for this system. System update, okay? And friends, you have to move on automatic system update. Tap on automatic system update. When you click on automatic system update, from here you can see this option icon. Of this icon there's many options, but friends, you have to turn off your automatic system update. If you have activated this automatic system update, okay, just turn off. And after that, from here you have to move on Play Store, and when you move on Play Store, just tap on your ID. Here is your ID, okay, I mean profile. When you click on profile, from here you have to move on setting. After that, you have to move on network preferences. Then from here you have to click on network preferences. From here you can see auto update apps, okay, click on auto update apps, and you have to click on don't auto apps, okay. Then after that, click on okay. And even this auto play also, you can just click on don't auto play videos, okay, click on okay. And here also app download preference also ask me every time, okay, it will ask you every time, okay. So you have to select this one, this third options, okay, in these three options. And friends, after that, from here, suppose you have to uninstall the apps which you are not using. Suppose you are not using this videos, okay, you are not using videos, you want to uninstall, then just move on app info and just uninstall it, okay. But some apps that you cannot uninstall, but you are not using and you cannot uninstall, press on that app. Then after that, move on here app info. Then after that, from here just tap on force stop, okay, if you cannot uninstall that. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.